everyone. Welcome to The Virtual Strategist. I'm Erica Olson with On Strategy. Today's whiteboard video is on prioritizing opportunities. It's part of our Agile Strategy series. If you haven't checked out our other videos on Agile Strategy, make sure to do so. Today is one of my favorite topics, which is, in the sea of opportunities, how do you create focus on the right areas to pursue? So let's talk about an awesome tool, a best practice, an attractiveness fit matrix that helps you sort and stack and rack all of your opportunities. Here are the steps. Step 1, you identify all your opportunities. They should be in your SWOT under opportunities. Let's put them on sticky notes, 1 per sticky note. You want discrete opportunities. Number 2, you're going to score each one and then plot it. You can do that all at the same time. So how do we do that? There are 3 axes: fit, market attractiveness, and the size of the opportunity. In case you're wondering what Z is, that is the size of the bubble that we're about to put up on the board. So let's just play one out. Take opportunity number 1, whatever it happens to be. How close or far away is it from what you're doing today? Translation, do you have the capabilities to execute on this opportunity? Let's just say, for sake of argument, maybe you partially do. And then how attractive is this market? Is it growing or shrinking? Is it highly, medium, or low competitiveness? Does it strengthen your competitive position? There can be a lot of other attributes you put together for a composite score on attractiveness. So for this purpose, I'm just going to plot it right here. When you're doing this together, you would actually give this a score. So, on this case, it happens to be a scale of 1 to 8, but you would make that up based on the number of attributes that you have. And then Z would be the size of the sticky note or the size of the circle, like we said, the opportunity size to you, the addressable market size. So you can kind of see where this is plotted here, nice in the middle. Let's plot all the rest of them. So now that you've plotted all your opportunities, it's time to prioritize. Here's how you do it. Everything over here that is highly attractive, doing today, is your core growth strategy. These are your top opportunities to pursue. They're the least risky with the highest potential return. The next area of focus are what we like to call your big bets. These are your strategic moves that are a little far away from what you're doing today, but also highly attractive. You would prioritize these opportunities after you've pursued your core growth opportunities and work sequentially this way. A couple quick tips. You can certainly move big opportunities over to here through an acquisition. And then what's worth noting is if the opportunity is not attractive, even if you're doing it today, proceed with caution. So with that, that's how you go from a sea of opportunities to a prioritized list for your growth. Thanks for tuning in. Check out our social channels. Happy strategizing.